props.children. When you look closely, you will observe that we are using self-closing tag for all of these components. You know why? It is simply because the components do not have children. In React.js, a component with children is always identified by an opening tag and a closing tag. And the children must be placed in between the enclosing tags. So let's say we want to add some couple of information about this guy, including his profile picture. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is to clear off the self-closing tag and then close it down with the actual closing tag. And here is it. So this is the closing tag that is used when the component has children. And in this case, here we are going to have a p tag. And right within this p tag, I'm going to do, and here we are going to have another p tag. And I'm going to do, so lastly, we are going to have a profile picture. So in order to work with images, first, we have to import that image. So there are several ways to do that. So I'm going to do Command B to open up the Explorer. So right within the SRC, we are going to create a new folder. And this will be called Images. So right within this Images folder, we are going to import the profile picture. So what I'm going to do right now is to maximize the VS Code. And here on my desktop, you are going to see the basic materials directory. Click to open. And by the way, this directory is right there on the description. And here is the profile picture. So I'm just going to drag it right into the images directory. Can you see? And here is the profile picture. Maximize the VS Code. Command B to close down the Explorer. And then also close down the profile picture. So right at the top, we have to import profile pics from, so we have to target the SRC. Right within the SRC, we have the images directory. And right within the images, we have to precisely target the profile picture. Profile pics.png. I think this is correct, right? So let's check it out quickly. Command B. Here we have profile pics.png. It is extremely correct. So scroll down and here we are going to have an img tag src equal this import over here. So we have to call this import. Copy, come here, paste. Close down the img tag. When you save and check out the browser, you are not going to see the children props. You know why? It is simply because we also have to retrieve the children props. Quickly head on to VS Code, demo component. So right here, we are going to retrieve the children props. So let's do it right within the h2 tag, open and close curly bracket. So to retrieve the children props, all we are going to do is props.children. On the browser, here are the children. This is extremely awesome. To recap, open up the app.js and then whatever you have here in between the opening and closing tag is referred to as the children props. And to retrieve the children props, all you have to do is props.children. It's as simple as that. Come back to the app component. And now the question is, what type of content is allowed for props.children? The content passed to a component through props.children can include the following: undefined, null, boolean, number, string, React element, including an array. Okay? This is all for now. See you in the next lecture. Stay focused and always take care.